In this video, we're going to explore the text shadow property, and the text shadow property basically gives you a shadow effect at the back of a existing text, which can be very interesting because you can create so-called 3D effects with that. Alright, so let's explore this one. So we're going to explore our H1 item here, and what we can do here is I'm going to remove all of these options here. We don't need all of this. And what we're going to do in here, we're going to say here text shadow. And the text shadow consists of a few items. First of all, it contains a total of 4 values that you can put in, but not everything is required. There's only 2 required to control the options. So the first one would be how many pixels to the left or for top to bottom or top or bottom in shadow. So if we say 2, it will create a shadow with 2 pixels down. Alright, and then you have another one is for left and right. If you put in a value of 2 here, it would mean that there will be shadow will go 2 pixels down and then 2 pixels to the right. So let's save that and refresh, and once you refresh you can see here now you create a effect. As you can see here, it creates a slightly 3D effect. But maybe this is quite hard. Let's be honest here. Reading this is quite hard, so what we can do here is we can put in here a red text here to give it a color. Once we give it a color and refresh, you can see now we have this 3D effect or shadow effect at the very back of our fonts, and it looks quite nice. And we can control this even more. Let's say we want to have this 5 pixels down, refresh, or sorry, 5 pixels to the right, and then 2 pixels. I think we can do this also to 5 pixels down as well. There you are. So basically, I'm mistaken here. The first value is related to left or right. If it's a positive number, it will go to the right. If it's a negative number, you will see it will move to the left. So if I save this, then we get now a left effect here. The shadow where from the left side you can see the shadow. And same here, top and bottom. If we do negative, it will go up 5 pixels up into the top. And then you have a shadow basically coming from this lower right corner angle going there. So you can see that here, that looks quite nice. What is more is an option. So let's do this. If we're going to colors, so we can do here any kind of color. Let's do it in black. There you are. So we get now a shadow effect in black. And what we can do more is we can also give it a blur effect. And the blur effect will be indicating how many pixels will become blurry at the very back here. If you do 2 pixels, it will basically make the shadow slightly blurry. If you can see that, you can see here it creates like this blur effect, and we can increase this. Let's say we make this 10 pixels. So it would mean that it will create a 10 pixel size basically, as you can see here, for the blur effect. And it looks quite nice. As you can see here, you can maybe imagine you can use some creative items as well here in creating a nice light effect. Let's make this yellow, and you will see now you get this kind of lamp effect or light effect or illumination of the fonts here, and that looks quite fun and very nice and creative as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.